Let me ask you something. When it comes to your TGE, what do you prefer? Long term users of the product or airdrop farmers? If you've ever found yourself struggling with this question, you're not alone. The truth is, you probably need both. Airdrop farmers bring in that initial excitement and hype that you need, but without long term users of the product, it kind of all fizzles out. The real challenge then is how do you balance both these type of communities without losing long-term vision of the product? The answer according to me lies in gamification because it's not just about handing tokens to your community but really building an experience that makes your users and the community want to keep coming back.
Hi, I'm Mia, the founder of Unhashed, an organic marketing growth agency that has helped Ledger, MoonPay, ThoughtWeb, QuickNode, and many other Web3 companies with growth and content. I've been doing rounds on Twitter lately for waging a war against follower bots, influencer campaigns, and just stupid airdrops in the industry. And I might be coming to Eat Denver to talk about design engagement strategies that help balance the two communities we just talked about. All of this will be done mathematically through my token momentum framework, and we'll also explore real world examples of Web3 companies balancing the two. At the end, I'll also give you a worksheet that you can take home and start implementing the strategies right away. So if you want to see this happen, drop a like to the video below, and me and Prateek Gandhi from Eigen will come and talk about this. So whether you're looking to have new strategies for your TTE or just some growth campaigns to build sustainable hype, let's get you a roadmap that not just launches a token, but helps you build a movement.